Squish.
I
Hi, happy birthday. Hi guys.
wait my
Okay,
don't
so
put this in.
hi guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a week in my life vlog, and today is Tuesday, and look who I met, and his
Hi.
birthday is in 2 days. Did you have a fun day today? We had
Yeah.
such a fun day today. Okay, cute. Can you be more expressive? It was your reminder that made me vlog.
Oh sorry.
And Grisha's dropping me now.
Taj lands in.
Super cute. Okay, bye. Hi, happy birthday. Say happy birthday to me.
हाँ तो चल रहे तू ये ले तो कैफे
Snowflake, right? Hi guys, guess whose birthday it is? Thanks, guys. Squish.
I have used my new lip
Plumper, and it's fully looking so good. How can you look like this? I'm like
PM1
yeah. Okay, now we gotta do more important things like take pictures. No, just fully expose me.
I'm not even. I find
That-
this so fun.
That's the effect of hanging out with me.
No, wait, don't flip it too much. I'm not wearing pants.
Hi guys, this is such a. I was supposed to be here for Grisha's birthday lunch, and I'm so late. Everyone literally left. But she's gone somewhere and she'll be back. But I feel so stupid right now for being so late. It's not even funny. It was such a chaotic day though. I'm gonna show you all her cute brunch setup, even though I wasn't here for it. So yeah, just for the vlog. Such a cute brunch setup, guys. She has a menu and everything, and I literally missed it. It's not even funny. Guys, this is so cute, and I took this picture for her. Super cute.
I'll take from here. So my table is happy birthday! And the second one.
I'll take a knife.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Grisha. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, it's so. Mama, I don't want it.
It's the most.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm doing a week in my vlog. Do you know that? So today's Sunday and it's Valentine's Day, and guess, bro, look at this hair of mine. It's my favorite girl ever, and she got me such a cute Valentine's Day gift, but then I forgot to vlog it, so I'll just show you all once we're home. But we're going. Where are we going? Kusha, do you want to introduce yourself? I don't think you've ever been on my vlogs.
No one's ever been introduced though.
Of course they have. Guys, this is Krishna. She's my child.
Yeah, I'm 3 years younger, but
Yeah, she's literally like my child, and we're going for a cute Valentine's date to Juhu Beach right now,
and to Prithvi Cafe
And-
after that.
and to Prithvi Cafe after that, and we're so excited. It's gonna be a fun, cute day, right? I'm I got you flowers. Guys, I had to pee, so we have to take. Sorry, we had to take a pee break at Starbucks. And when it's a cute Starbucks. Bro, just look at the lighting like this. Okay. Wait. Okay, walk. Guys, there are so many people on Juhu Beach. I do not believe this. Like, I'm just incapable of taking pictures right now.
We were at the beach for a solid, what, 3 minutes?
3 minutes?
3 minutes?
Bro, it was so crowded.
I would have gone into the water, but Satna was being too like...
Dude, there was like this guy. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, it was like a fun day. And dude, like this guy came up to me and he's like, "Paise do, paise do."
Don't tell him first. I don't have money to buy my. I spend money on you. Netflix.
Exactly, bro. I'm trying to like tell him that, bro, I got no cash on me. He's like, listen to me.
Brother came and he was like...
Cha.
Somewhere, bro. You can see the virus over there. Straight up. Bro, the virus is like, come for me. Fuck, bro.
Did you see so many people?
I'm not meeting. I'm definitely not doing that. So,
My God, look at that!
oh my God.
My man's just. Ow! 8301445. Number 3.
Number 4. So do I, Bday.
Okay, that's better. I thought I was the only one who had to pee again.
Like...
Did not need to say that out loud.
We shut it down. Checks on the streets, they know my foes. Send around.
I need a pee! Again? What did I say? Fucking
Don't think about, bro, think about everything but the feet.
Oh my God, it's not Kali's
Bro, yeah, what
Wow.
the fuck? Bro, what the fuck is Tommy doing, bro?
What is this family doing?
Bro, I swear.
Thank you guys for watching. I obviously forgot to make an intro for this video like I always do when I make my vlogs, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a super fun week. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification every time I post a new video.